Today is 1 month since we've been here.
Yay! Excited for working!
So today we start from yesterday's farm. So this is how we pick an orange. We go about, I don't know, is that a centimeter off the stem? And then we snap off the top and throw it in our bag. We moved the farm 2. Look what Azusa picked. Challah bread of oranges. Oh.